Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best AC covers for outdoor units that you can find, the Mrrihand Central Air Conditioner Cover. If you've been struggling to protect your outdoor AC unit from the harsh winter elements or the scorching sun, this is the cover you need. This Mrrihand AC cover is made from heavy-duty 420D polyester Oxford fabric, designed specifically for all-season protection. Whether it's rain, snow, dust, or debris, this cover shields your air conditioning unit, keeping it in top shape no matter the weather. Not only does it protect your unit from the elements, but it also prevents damage from hailstorms, ensuring that your AC remains functional for many seasons to come. One of the standout features of this cover is its windproof design. With elastic hem cords, you can adjust the bottom to create a custom, snug fit. This makes it perfect for those windy days, ensuring your cover stays securely in place. Additionally, the cover includes an air vent that promotes airflow, which helps prevent moisture and condensation from building up inside your unit. This is crucial for maintaining the longevity of your AC. Installation is a breeze with the attached Velcro sides that give you a tight and secure seal while allowing for easy access to your air conditioning ducts. It's sturdy, well-built, and comes with a padded handle that makes fitting and removal quick and easy. Plus, when the winter months are over, storing it is just as simple. A convenient storage bag is included, so you can easily store the cover away without any hassle. Maintaining this cover is incredibly easy too. Simply wash it with water or mild soap. Just make sure to avoid using the washing machine. The durability of this cover means it will continue to offer top-notch protection, year after year. So, if you're looking for the best way to protect your outdoor AC unit, the Mrrihand Central Air Conditioner Cover is a must-have. With its waterproof, durable, and windproof design, you'll never have to worry about the weather damaging your AC again. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more honest reviews, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more product insights.